Alrighty, pool fans, in episode 24, we're going to attack the lower part of the 6-ball. There'll be a lot of combinations. This one should be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to start with the 2-ball hitting the bottom part of the 6-ball. Okay, so we're not hitting the center, we're hitting the bottom side of the 6, going towards the 9-ball. This shot I like to hit with a stun draw again, so a half tip below center, full stroke. Okay guys, we're doing a slow motion again. You can see I overjuiced the cue ball in this particular scenario. Got a little fortunate, there's a dead ball, but to avoid that, just hit a little closer to center. You guys had a little too much draw on that. The 4-ball is dead. I'm going to start with the 4. I'll have position on the 3. Maybe not. Wow, okay. Got a little lucky there. I thought I was going to hit the 15 and stay up there, but I missed the 15 ball. Start with a little combination shot on the 12-14. We have a little work ahead of ourselves with the 5-13 and the 1. I'm going to go ahead and attack that now. So I'll play the 12, play position on the 5-13. I also have to get rid of the 8, the 9, and the 6 ball. 15 ball is my ideal break shot. It's not the only one though. I also have the 7 balls potential. If the 8 cleared, I would have played position for the 8 right away off this 12, but it doesn't, so I'm going to play from the 5-13. I'm going to play position for the 7, so 5-13, play position for the 7. Well, I also might have the 5. I got the 5 instead, which is ideal. I'm going to play position on the 1 to be able to get to the 8. Or the 6-9, so I'm playing position on the 1 to get to the 8 or the 6-9. So semi-thick hit. Alright, that's ideal. Good on the 8. I'm going to draw back to the 6-9 and the 3 ball. Okay, landed nicely on the 6-9, so I'll play that. I have shape on the 15, I'm going to push the 11 out a little bit. I'll tough shape on the 6. Surprisingly enough, that made a big difference on that bottom ball. It's getting a little tricky here. I'd like to get rid of the 7 and play the 10 to the 3 to the 11. My window's pretty small on the 7 though. Try to get there. If I get a little too far, I might have the 10 or the 3. Hopefully I can recover if I play bad speed. I got on the 10, I can swing 2 rails off the 7 to get on the 3. So we're in good shape.
Okay, straight pull lovers, we got through another rack. Episode 24 is complete. Quite a few combos. I believe there were 3 or 4 combination shots, 1 dead ball coming out of the gate. Lots of interesting scenarios, couple revisions on my plan, and a couple key points brought up in this rack. Hope you guys have a great evening or night, and I'll see you guys the next angle.